This is the link bags, the self-tapping connector, and here's the bag. And this is the body full bag, the big one, 2 pieces. For the bag, it comes with the self-tapping connector. It has 2 parts. For this link bag, open it. For the link. And we need to use the connector to drill the hole. You will need 2 holes. One hole near the bottom. It's just self-tapping. So use this way to drill a small hole to it. So it has a small hole here now. You can see the connector. And now put this off. And we are going to put the bottom part inside the bag. Here to the hole, and put the top part to it. Okay. And we need to make another one on the top. Okay. And so here has another hole. And the same, to put the bottom part inside. Here you can see the hole here, and put the top part in. Now the bag has 2 connectors. Okay, put it tight. And one for the ozone inlet, another for the ozone outlet.